Hi, my name is Lito. I'm a parent makeup artist and craft master of International Academy S. In this video, I will show for you Be Bright pigment and my favorite mixes for the eyebrows. Let's start.
Mix in flour.
Color number 1, dark brown. This color is the darkest one in our palette, in our line of Be Bright BB color pigments. Let's look on this color. You see, this is a magic. I prefer to use this color to mix with another color of Be Bright pigment, because if you are working too deep with this pigment, it can heal grayish. Number 2, this is medium brown with red base, you can see now. And I can use this pigment when I need color with red base, and also I prefer to mix this color with another Be Bright pigment. Number 3, this is color with olive base. It's like medium light brown. As you can see, I can use this color if I need pigment to heal like more ash or grayish, or I need pigment with olive base, or I prefer to mix this color with another pigment Be Bright. Number 4, our lightest brown in our line. You can see this color has yellow base, and I can use this color for very light blonde hair, ladies. And I also like to mix this color with all our pigments.
Can you mix a martini?
And now I will show for you my favorite mixes for the eyebrows. Number 1 and number 2. I prefer to mix this color 60%, 40% or 30%, 70%. For example, it can be 30% of number 1 and 70% of number 2, or it can be 40% and 60%. And this color is very good for ladies, for brunettes who like dark brown grayish pigment on the eyebrows. Sometimes I can add to this mix color number 4, just maybe 1 drop, and I can have a little bit more warmer pigment of this mix. Look at this now. My favorite mix is mix of number 2 and number 3. Let's look. I prefer to mix these two colors in 50-50 or 40-60 or 60-40, or sometimes even 70-30. This is my favorite mix for brunette and ladies who have brown hair. You can see on this mix. It's beautiful. And next mix, what I like, This is color number 2 and number 4. I prefer to use this color for women who like brown pigment, or sometimes I can add more number 4 color. For example, it can be 30% of number 2 and 70% number 4 for ladies with blonde hair and who would like to get light brown warm pigment. Let's look.
No. Correction.
Also, we have corrector, and corrector we can use for all tattoo, like for cover up technique. Look at this. It's like orange yellow base, and we can cover up the light gray or light blue old tattoo pigment. BB color are very concentrated pigment. They can heal by 70 or 80%. That's why I recommend them just for professional use only. Try to work with this pigment superficially, transparently, and don't go too deep into the skin. Recommendation for the clients: always tell which color would you like to get on your eyebrows. Also, you can bring your pencil for the eyebrows on the procedure. Hope this video was helpful. On next video I will tell you about permanent makeup machine and my favorite mixes for the eyes.
Eyes, lovely.
There are many different pigments on the market right now. Try and choose your favorites one. If you like BB colors and their mixes and you would like to order them, you can text me on Instagram, Facebook or email and I will send it to you to any country.
Online.
If you're a permanent makeup artist and you would like to improve your skills or join our academy, please sign up on my online courses. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you soon. Bye bye.